Hello friends, today let's read a book, Dr. Seuss Cooking with the Birthday Bird. The birthday bird flew from Catrue. He will bake a cake for you. Just for you. This is your day. He will bake the Catrue way. He has a book. Take a look. Grab a hat, help him cook. Sugar, flour, add milk too. Now crack some eggs, just 2 will do. Now you mix it, spin, spin, spin. Look, you have some on your chin. Let it bake and then cool down. Squeeze on pink and blue and brown. Now he will sing the birthday song. This is your day, so sing along. You eat your cake. You dance and play. Now the birthday bird must fly away. Until next year on your big day. The end. Thank you for listening.